Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Stellar tokens from Coinbase Wallet to Crypto.com for better trading options or rewards. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps with your funds. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase Wallet and a Crypto.com account set up. You'll need some Stellar, XLM, in your Coinbase wallet and the recipient address from Crypto.com. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the Stellar token from your list of assets. You'll see your balance there. Great job holding onto those. Step 2. Tap or click on the Stellar token to view its details. Look for the Send or Transfer button. Before you proceed, you'll need the wallet address from Crypto.com. Head over to your Crypto.com app, go to your wallet section, and copy the deposit address for Stellar. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so get it right. Step 3. Back in Coinbase Wallet, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to send, but be mindful of any network fees. They're usually low for Stellar, but they add up. Double-check the address and amount to prevent errors. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Once you're confident, hit Confirm or Send. You'll get a confirmation prompt, approve it, and your transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Step 5. Now, wait for the transfer to complete. Stellar transactions are fast, often under a minute, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Crypto.com account to see your Stellar tokens arrive. That's it, you've successfully transferred your Stellar. In 2025, crypto tools are even more user-friendly, but always prioritize security by using hardware wallets or two-factor authentication. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.